my plan is to upcycle this old lamp that we had a while back. As you can already tell, I've already dismantled it once, but this is the original state in which it was before. As you can see, it's not working, but that's because I took it apart and removed the battery. It was a lead acid battery, a small one. But basically, even though I removed it, most of this was not working. It's going to be bright. Okay, so this LED in here does not light up. That one's dead, and in this part there are a couple of them. They light up, but they flicker. And yeah, so this is glass, like actual glass, which is interesting. But yeah, so I've taken it apart and I haven't screwed it down, so I want to replace this whole system with LEDs, with digital RGB LEDs. That's what I'm going to be doing for this, and I'm just going to show them to you. This one's right here. It's reflective. This is how they look. Sorry about that. It's too bright, but focus. Yeah, so this is how it looks. We have the ground. If you can see that ground, the data line, and the 5 volts. Right. So that's all you need. For this particular one, you just need to, it shows you the direction of connection. So if I want to connect another LED, it needs to be like this. I don't know if you can see, but sorry about that, but something like this. That's how it's supposed to be. So that now flows through. Now this allows for now these LEDs are actually addressable, which means you can control them individually. You can set this 3 to be green, this 3 to be red, this 4 to be blue. I don't understand exactly how that works, but I know it works. Now this is what I'm going to be putting or replacing in this. The first one, I intend to put one LED on this part right here, this section, and then several of them over here, so that this part can form like a mood lamp sort of assembly. So I want to detach this to be independent, like a system on its own, and this part a system on its own. Now one thing about this is that it has a solar panel, a small one, and it works. I haven't tested it under load, but with no load it was reading roughly 6 volts under the sun. So I don't know if that's normal or that seems like a lot to me, but yeah, like I said, it wasn't loaded, so it actually wasn't doing any work. So yeah, so this part I would like to take it apart. If I can check out the solar panel, that would be of most importance for me for other projects. So basically I want to take this part apart, leave this alone, and this part apart. So this, I'll just show you. It's going to get messy. So this part is pretty simple to remove. Test it, and then it's out. So unfortunately it's screwed in place. This is where the LED is, but like I said, this LED is dead, it's not working. So I'm just going to quickly take it apart. I'm going to open it. Look for that later. And basically skip through this part. I'll show you this, but I'm still here, so I'm still recording. So yeah, this is going to be a single unit right about here. Take this glass off, I don't want it to break. Put it aside just temporarily. Temporarily. And this. Probably, like I said, get through this part. Yeah. So I want to replace the LED with one of these. I'll attach it from the back. And let this be a unit on its own. This is. I can hold it. All punched up. Fancy work. This, as you can see, is basically this is how it was, and as you can already tell, these are the LEDs. They're in there. It's a big part. Because the reflection. This one's a bit challenging to take apart because it needs to be pried open. When it comes to prying stuff open, so mistakes happen. Sorry about that. Sorry. Probably I won't see that anyway. But this is how it looks. I'll take this off the side for a moment and show you this. Make this into a mood lamp of some sort. Maybe have it look like that or like this. I have to clean up this, replace the LEDs and everything. I don't plan to put the LEDs here as it is. I plan to sort of like spiral them around in here, in between these two. This section here and this section here, so they go around, so that now I can get better mood lamp vibes or feel. So yeah, if you're very interested in seeing what's under here, this is how it looks. And this right here, this white is the negative of the solar panel, and this green one is the positive. It doesn't do much right now as it is, because I took it apart. Now this is the AC charging port. So this converts, it's a rectifier, converts AC to DC and uses it to charge the battery, which I believe was connected to this. So for now it doesn't really matter, but only in due time. And so this is USB charging. This is for USB charging, and it's also where it's for USB charging input and battery charging output, and also lighting output. So it's a bit complicated. It's for me generally. I can't understand which ones go where unless I test it, but I'm not going to do that for now. So yeah, so if I can believe there's a way to take this part apart and without damaging it, breaking something. Gluing them nice. It's some tough glue. It's not even out yet. So now this is how it looks. With this, without this, it might be possible to assemble it into something else. pieces around that we can to use in this project. It has to place. So it's still working, so that's a good sign. And yeah, that's just the